such a rainy, gloomy day. I think it calls for some crafting. Hey guys, what's up? My name is Christine. I'm the creator and owner of Created by Christine, and I design and sell stickers and stationery for my online stationery boutique. I also like sharing tips and tricks and behind the scenes and a lot of DIYs and crafting, and that's what we're doing today. It's gloomy. There's literally a flood watch and a wind advisory because it is pouring all day long. I'm stuck inside and I think that we should get some crafting. And it's perfect timing because I got some fun materials to try out from TeckWrap Craft. They sent me a PR package of a bunch of fun things, and I was thinking we should make 3 projects together. Let's brainstorm. Here we go. I'm a visual learner, so you will always find me making lists, writing things down, and that's why these post-its and notepads that I make are just so handy dandy for me. I'm always using them. We're making 3 projects today. We're gonna make stickers, we're gonna do something with heat transfer, and also sublimation, a little of everything. This matte white printable sticker vinyl, it's not your typical sticker paper like I used to use when I made a lot of stickers on my own, homemade. This one has that vinyl feel, so if you've had like vinyl rolls, permanent vinyl, it feels like it's very thick, like permanent vinyl, which is exciting because this one you can print on. So I'm really excited to make this and see how it turns out. The thing that we'll need is the holographic laminate sheets. We turn it around, you'll see a little shine, a little shimmer and shine. So this will be fun to add to, like, on top of the stickers. As always, the sticker starts with the design, and I'm working on Cricut Design Space because I'm using my Cricut machine to cut out the stickers. So I'm uploading an image I got from another artist, and it's so cute and relatable because we girl math our way through everything. I know it's a little small to see, but at the top there is an offset option, and when you click on it, you will see that it kind of makes like a die cut border for you, which is going to be your sticker background. So you can choose like the different size that you like. I like to keep it more on the smaller side, and it automatically goes to black, but you can change it to any background color. I at first was gonna do white because that's like a pretty typical background for a sticker, but then I was like, no, let's make it colorful, and so I ended up choosing blue, which, spoiler alert, it ends up coming out really, really nice. But yeah, I recommend the offset size to be like 0.15 to 0.2. I know there's many ways to print and cut stickers and like size it and arrange it and everything, but I'm sticking with my OG way, the way that I learned how to make stickers, which is creating, like adding the rectangle square, making it the 6.75 by 9.25 inches dimensions, and then making the stickers fit onto that black rectangle. Again, there's many ways to do it, and honestly some might be easier or quicker or just more automatic and efficient, but I am just sticking with the way that I know. And once I click attach, I'm ready to set up the printer settings to print. This is my new inkjet printer that I don't know if I debuted yet on like Instagram, TikTok, so you might be the first to see. Ever since I got my Epson for my sublimation printer, I realized I do like this whole Epson EcoTank thing. So dare I say I'm team Epson? I don't know, I love my Canon and I love my Epson. But I mean, just look at the print quality. It came out really nice and like really deep contrasting colors, which is beautiful. Because I'm adding a laminate sheet on top of it, I'm gonna have to use a more heavier, intense Cricut cut setting to cut through the sticker paper. For this part of the sticker making process, I'm using TeckWrap's holographic sticker laminate sheet and also their cute little squeegee. And with putting on laminate, you just can't overthink it. You just gotta like put it on, believe in yourself, and just swoosh, go, because otherwise you're susceptible to like bubbles or wrinkles or something like that, and that is not what you want at all. All right, it's go time. Let's watch the Cricut do its thing. Okay, but these came out so good. I'm genuinely impressed with them. Shiny holographic stickers are not my norm, but it doesn't hurt to have a couple in the shop maybe. Ooh. I feel so much more confident producing thicker stickers. There is such a difference. When I hold it, I feel like I'm not gonna tear it. It does help that it has the holographic laminate over it, but even without it, like when I was showing you before I printed anything on it, this, like, imagine like a nice thick vinyl sticker. Project number 1, check. Okay, I know I said for heat transfer vinyl that I should do a tote bag or a hat, but I realized I have too many of way too both. So I'm going to bring it back to the OG classic. And as always, we're starting with the design, so let's head back to Cricut Design Space. This one I'm using Cricut Design Space to set it up, and I'm going to click make it. Something important to remember is whenever you're doing heat transfer, you have to turn on the mirror. So turn on, so make sure that toggle's on, and you can see that everything is mirrored backwards, but it's because when you press it on, it'll be right side up. So I'm gonna continue. And this is a everyday iron vinyl, and it'll remind you make sure mirror is turned on and the iron material is faced down. I just turned the heat press on. We'll be back there later, so I'll show you later. But I have a Comfort Colors, a blank, a large. We're gonna use white heat transfer vinyl because it'll contrast nicely and look good against this one. Let's crack this one open. Cutting mat again, and remember, shiny side is face down, 7-ish inches wide, 11 down. Yay! I have to try this cute Rainbow Mermaid weeding pen that they included in the package. I feel very spoiled to be using such fun things, and I've never used something like this. Welcome to my little corner of the garage. I've got my shirt here. I'm going to preheat it. Preheating it is basically just like warming it up, so you really only need to press it for like 5 seconds. Like this, and I'll place it this way, since it's vertical. 315 degrees Fahrenheit and at 40 seconds. So since it's all set, I'm gonna press it, and in 40 seconds it'll pop back up on its own. Ooh, here's a close-up. Take a look how it came out. I think it'll be good to peel in a second. I'm just gonna change this up to the max because I'm getting ready for our next project. Look at that. So now it's off the transfer sheet onto the t-shirt. Ooh, look at that matte quality. The t-shirt came out so great. This is the back. the front. I could still add like something on the side. I'm just not sure yet. I'm just gonna move on to the third project, which is sublimation onto these phone card holders. White part is for sublimation, which means my design, my print will transfer onto the white part, same. And then after it goes through the sublimation, the heat stuff, we can put on the adhesive. It's like a little sticker. Makes sense that this is separate because when you're putting it through a heat press machine, especially at such a hot temperature, 400 degrees to be exact, you want to make sure that this will melt. That's basically it. This will melt. So we're just gonna work with this right now. I have a design in mind already. It needs to be, I'm gonna put photo mat paper, and for layout, this is the part where is important to know it should be flipped horizontally, kind of like we did with the mirror on with the Cricut. For this, we get to use TeckWrap Craft's sublimation transfer paper. Cool thing about sublimation, it is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about, like you're sublimating a shirt, you don't have to worry about it cracking in the wash or anything. So let's open it up. Open it up. I have never used this before. Fresh new pack of crafting materials is always so exciting. This is my sublimation printer. The paper is gonna go in the back. Since I'm in the garage and I have 45 seconds, I'm just gonna grab a quick drink. Oh yes, there's one Poppy left! Guys, Poppy is so good. Crossing my fingers that it turned out okay. Ooh, the colors look really, really good. It didn't cross my mind that I should have covered like that leather part because the flowers kind of printed on that too, but it kind of looks cool because it's like a subtle effect, but in the future I would probably somehow cover it up so that only the white part gets sublimated. Cute! I always forget to carry my business cards, but like, wait, that's really cute. I like this. Ooh. To wrap up our rainy day DIY projects, the first project we did was stickers, but not just any stickers. It was the vinyl stickers with that nice thick quality and adding the holographic laminate for that shine. For project number 2, we used the heat transfer vinyl and my heat press and a blank t-shirt to make a very nice inspirational t-shirt that, you know, when you wear it on the back, people behind you can read this nice message. And then finally, the third project was with sublimation. I used a sublimation paper and printer to create this, and then we sublimated it with very hot heat. Whew, okay, changed. Very relatable. Always girl mathing it. I don't want to lead you astray, but you know what is girl math? If you DIY it, you save money. It's cheaper. Thanks for hanging out with me on this rainy day. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!